Hi everybody, my name's David. David Nelson. This is Two Rivers, Wisconsin. Today is February 17th or something like that. We were just in Portugal last week, maybe 2 weeks now. This is what we came back to. So this is supposed to be the biggest storm of the winter, apparently. I'll give you a little shot out here at what Lake Michigan looks like. This is insane. The wind is killer. So here we are back in the truck. This is windy and cold. But this is just the variety of the weather that you get here in Wisconsin. I personally love it. Anyway, here we go. So I'm doing a little floor prep, and in this room, leftover staples that had this short nap carpet in here. Stuff they used to use back in the 50s. There's a bunch of it all over here and there. I got all this stuff off. This was in the transition area. There's a bunch of staples here and there all along the edge. I removed the quarter round that was all the way around the edge. The room here, prepping the floor. I'm going to install some LVP. So the trick is going to be trying to get the LVP underneath this piece of radiator. So we'll see what we end up figuring out in the end. I started this about an hour ago. I've had contractors say, Dave, you think that everything takes less time than it actually does. That's because when you're a badass, things do take less time. When you've done the job 100 times, you learn shortcuts and you know what to expect and you get the job done. Pilot light wasn't on. Much older looking one here. Prep that floor, so anyway. Oh, I went down there to check the doggone. Flooring and come back. So I'll see you later.